Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Strings and Gears. I finally reached Dhanbad, which is in Jharkhand, and today I'm going to Bhatinda waterfalls, which is around 20 kilometers from the place where I stay. I have my cousin along with me. He's waiting outside. He'll be staying with me for one day, and he'll be leaving to US. And he got me a gadget which is drone. I'll try to shoot some aerial views over there. Do watch my video till the end. So I'm staying in this Hotel Delight. यहीं से जाना ना? ठीक, thank you. चलो. He's my cousin and Mani, he came from US. Let's start. This is my bike and I'm in Dhanbad now. मैं तो मैप्स लगा लिया इसमें. My hotel is very near to railway station, which is like around 1.3 kilometers. The area here is very peaceful with trees. The other side it's very populated. There are few colleges here. Mahila Mahavidyalaya. So it's showing 44 minutes and it's 18 kilometers from here. The time is 3 o'clock. And I recently installed a top box to carry my luggage. Even the pillion rider can rest so that he gets some support from the top box. Costed me around 8,500 including the rail and the top box. And उसमें थोड़ा अंदर थोड़ा modification करवाया मैं. पूरा फोमिंग एंड सूटकेस जैसा स्ट्रैप्स बनवाया उसमें. सो वी आर एट सिटी सेंटर नाउ. द वन वी आर सीइंग देयर इज सिटी सेंटर ऑफ धनबाद एंड वी शुड गो स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम हियर. And there is a night curfew in Dhanbad. By 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock all the shops are being closed, and I don't know like till when they will extend this night curfew, and I'm not sure if there will be an lockdown again. It all depends on the cases. We have idli in Jharkhand, but it's they are giving it in a different kind. पूरा इडली को काट के उसके ऊपर चटनी लगा रहा है. Let's taste and see how it is. It's a street food by the way. We got our idli. Mani, taste करो. कैसा है? How is it?
It's okay.
Okay. Not great.
Not great. Not like regular idli. It tastes different.
Like how do you compare it from our South idli?
It's not that great as South, but
It's somewhat different.
Other than South, it's not
Hard.
Like rava idli. It's like a rice idli.
अच्छा, ये थोड़ा hard है. What about chutney?
It tastes like a chaat on an idli.
अच्छा.
Where it has masalas and it has like tamarind chutney and the green chutney and all.
अच्छा,
It tastes different. It's good.
Different combination.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
चल.
never tasted it before, but it tastes okay.
Yeah. Okay. And it's 5 rupees per piece. Dhanbad is also called coal capital of India. पूरा mining का काम बहुत होता है यहाँ पे, and there is also an IIT which is specialized for coal mining and School of Coal Studies, and there is some kind of pond here on our left side. What is it? I don't know. If anyone knows, do comment. Let's give way for ambulance. So I'll see you again once I get onto the highway. यहाँ पे तो पूरा traffic है. We are out of city and we are on the highway. I think it's National Highway 18. Oh, ambulance हमारा पीछे पड़ा हुआ यार. जा रहे नहीं. I think that is all the mining area. I don't think if it's visible on camera. Let's see. और आगे भी है तो देखेंगे. Again, we got one more small town here. I don't know what is this place called as. एम्बुलेंस वाले बहुत धीरे चला रहे. I don't know why. अरे यार, this Kendupal main road. Kendupal main road. I thought we are on highway, but फिर से एक छोटा सा टाउन आ गया. Kendupal. A city एक ही टाउन है. Like you should know, I'm new to this place, so I'm just saying what I felt. Anybody from Dhanbad, if you are from nearby places, do comment and let me know if there is anything more to view here. I'll try to go and record all the places whenever I have time. Dhanbad is not small, it's very big. मैंने सोचा बहुत छोटा होगा, but उतना छोटा तो नहीं है. मेरा सोच से बड़ा ही है. Ranchi is 150 kilometers from here. We should take left. And we also need to take left here. I think ambulance also is going to Bhatinda waterfalls. Let that ambulance go yaar. Koi बोल के मेरा like my ears are going. I'll become deaf. नहीं तो नींद में भी कोई बोल के साउंड आते हैं. वही पूरा almost from 15 minutes is in front of us. कोई ना, I will go a bit slow. माइलेज भी देगा गाड़ी. And one thing I'm shocked is petrol is 98 rupees in Dhanbad and it's 108 rupees change in Hyderabad. Almost 10 rupees difference. Oh my god, 10 rupees is not small amount. Why such vast variation, I don't know. 98 rupees is a cool price according to me compared to Hyderabad. Even 98 is more. Pehle it was like in 70s and 60s. I don't know, like oh time to naya aayega fir se wapas. It will be above 100 only, but thankfully in Dhanbad it's 98, less than 100. Putki Bazaar. And from highway we got a diversion towards left, and from here it's around 6.9 kilometers. Road is not too good, but it's fine. For 6 kilometers showing 17 minutes. I said it's a coal city, right? So they're carrying coal on cycles. Almost 6 to 7 bags on one cycle, and they are really working hard, man. I saw mini cycles going that side also. I don't know like where will they deliver that coal. I'm really surprised to see people using cycles and rickshaws. South mein to you don't even find a normal rickshaw, not auto rickshaw. Normal rickshaw you won't find even one rickshaw for a normal commute. Marketplaces में रिक्शा होता है. They use for transferring all the goods and all. Here the people are riding it for very far places. Really hats off to them. And from here it's 4.9 kilometers. And we are 2 kilometers away from the waterfalls, and we just got to experience this off-road. मेरा टायर तो नया है, इसलिए आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट दैट इट वोंट गेट पंक्चर्ड, बट फिर भी बोल नहीं सकते, कुछ भी हो सकता है. I hardly do videos in English. I did 100 odd videos in Telugu, and this is the first time I am doing videos in English. So excuse me if I pronounce something wrong or if there are any grammatical mistakes. It's sunny but too cold here. रात में तो it's going to 6 degrees and 7 degrees in Dhanbad, and after I'll stay here for 3 or 4 days and I'll be moving to one more place. वहाँ पे देखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, but official purpose के लिए जाना पड़ेगा. I actually had a plan to ride my bike from Hyderabad to Jharkhand, but due to some unforeseen situations, I had to parcel it in a railway. So सब कुछ ठीक हुआ है, लेकिन the number plate got broken, the front one. So फिर से सुबह जाके 100 रुपये दे के I got it replaced. And let's go from this side. थोड़ा साफ है. And to parcel my bike, I had to go to Vijayawada because there is no train from Secunderabad. It comes from Alleppey and connects via Vijayawada. So I went to Vijayawada and gave my bike there. I made that video, but unfortunately the audio didn't record. We almost reached. It's 800 meters from here. अभी ऑफ-रोडिंग हो गया. थोड़ा सा कंक्रीट रोड मिला. कंक्रीट है कि डांबर है? डांबर रोड ही है, तार रोड. And there is some park here, Binod Bihari Mahato Park, and it's showing 200 meters, so I think we should go by walk from here. Chalo, let's go. So we took a shortcut. Actually we have a way from that side also, but we took a shortcut. So it's a small trek kind of thing. And we reached Bhatinda waterfalls. It's too crowded and people are chilling, boozing and having fun here. Few came for family picnic and few are with friends boozing. So थोड़ा water कम है, फिर भी really a peaceful location, but बहुत सारा कचरा है यार. They are polluting it. See, पूरा bottles, polythene. It's not so neat, but फिर भी देखने के लिए आया हूँ. Let's enjoy the waterfalls, see the views and enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed the views. This is the first time I came to Jharkhand and it's really a wonderful place. And even family can come and hang out, but there are few people coming and boozing. That's not really a good sign. But still, it's really a peaceful place and wonderful place. I hope you really like the drone shots. This is the first time me flying the drone. मेरा पहले वीडियोस में भी drone shots था, लेकिन like my friends shot them, and this is the first time I hope like I'll improve in my further videos, but पहली बार है ना, like I tried my best. And I have my cousin here, he is Mani. And what would you like to say, like how is the place? And you are the first timer and even I am the first timer. Like आपको कैसा लगा?
Yeah, it was good. It was really, really beautiful. It reminded me my childhood days. Like I used to go to picnic with my parents. Like we used to sit like near the waterfalls. Here people are coming, sitting, enjoying. It's really beautiful. It's winter. Somebody said that it will be more water. It's currently less, but it's really beautiful. I think if I come next time, it might be more beautiful and very better experience than now.
Okay. But one thing I didn't find good is like कहाँ पे भी देखो, like there is lots of pollution, पूरा plastic. देखो, like even in drone shots you might have watched पूरा plastic का कचरा and all. So if we control this thing, it will be more beautiful. But I think like it's been like very famous place and people are coming to have picnic and all and throwing all the trash here. So if they provide some trash bins or something, they'll drop in that, I guess. Hope by next time if I come, I hope everything will be clean. If there is a little bit of kachra, I would have removed, but ये पूरा खराब करने में तो 2 दिन लगेगा. And apart from that, everything is beautiful and we really enjoyed this evening, the Bhatinda waterfalls. Yeah, it's really a wonderful place. And I hope you liked my video. I'll be making more such videos. If you like my video, hit the like button and even subscribe kar do. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Me Pranit signing off. Strings and Gears. Bye bye.